hello and welcome back. Today I've decided to make blueberry cake. So for this recipe you're going to need 200 grams of self-raising flour. I've already sifted mine. 150 grams of caster sugar. Getting tongue-tied. 2 eggs. 120 mils of melted butter. And 150 grams of blueberries. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to put my sugar in first. Then to the sugar, I'm going to add my melted butter. This is unsalted butter. Let's give that a little whisk. Then I'm going to go in with my eggs. Yes, I had quite a lot of blueberries to get through, so I decided to make a nice cake. Obviously, if you've got an electric mixer, you use that, whatever you want. I just like to do it this way. And then to that, I'm going to add my flour. Just do a bit at a time. Oops, oh blimey, getting it everywhere. Oh my word, I am a messy baker. Got half of it on the side. Just make a nice batter like that. And to that I'm just going to add the blueberries. Just gently fold that in as well. Now at this stage it's going to need a splash of water, so I'm just going to fill this little thing up. Pour that in. Just like over a shot's worth of water. I'll just finish that and then I'll come back for the next step. Right, so I've got my oven preheated at 170 and I've got 2 brownie tins lined, which are that sort of thickness line. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to divide the mixture into 2. This could be messy, guys. I'm not the cleanest of cooks. Now this might only make the one actually, let's just have a look. A line 2 just in case. Yeah, I think we're only going to get maybe the one out of this. Pop all that in. Just smooth it to the edges. So I'm going to put this now in the oven for around 15 minutes because obviously the tray is so shallow. It might not need that time. We'll come back after 15 and have a look. Sorry guys, just quickly, I noticed I said 170 on the electric oven. It's actually 180, so sorry about that. So that's the end result. I did go and have a look at it after 15 minutes, but it wasn't done. So in total it took about 25 minutes. And a way you can check it's done in the middle is if you just get a cocktail stick, prod it, and if it's wet on the stick it needs to go back in for a bit longer. But yeah, mine's cracked a little bit, but that's fine. And then you just portion it up how you want it and enjoy with a nice cup of tea. Ooh, bye.